Packing and unpacking can be a hassle, especially when it comes to toiletries. But with the right bag, it doesn't have to be. Here's 5 of the best hanging toiletry bag for women you can get from Amazon today. Number 1. Bag Smart Hanging Toiletry Bag. Number 2. Boa K Premium Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag. Number 3. Norway Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag. Number 4. Amazon Basics Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag. Number 5. Burui's Hanging Toiletry Bag. Whether you're looking for a large or small bag, a stylish or functional design, there's so many options to choose from, but with this guide, you're sure to find the perfect bag that will make packing a breeze. Make sure to also read our full review on the best hanging toiletry bags on our website at vacationcountdownapp.com.